my way to work. This is my road. I normally use this road to go to school. It's the village in Kisumu. Kisumu is also green, though it is hot. We normally experience hot and wet climate throughout the year. It is very hot, but there is a lot of rainfall. People are planting corn. So Kisumu is beautiful, a nice place to live and stay. Very cool. People usually mind their own business. They don't disturb people. Yeah. People from other regions of Kenya, they can also live here. For example, me, I'm from Western. But I stay because they are good people. So I don't know the name of this tree. I would like you to tell me the name in the comment. Yeah. This is the gate of my school. Okay, I'm here. I have arrived. The learners are still on short break. Bye.